You'll see this lens marked as a discontinued on some stores, but also listed as active on Sigma side. So is the Sigma 20mm f2 actually discontinued? Here's the real answer. No confusion.
Because slowly I watched you fade away till you disappeared. I know.
If you're into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week.
Sometimes I lie awake and I wonder why you left.
The Sigma 20mm f2 DGTN is not discontinued as a product. Sigma still includes the lens in their I-series lineup.
That I've never seen before, and anyone anymore.
Sigma refreshed their I-series lineup. That means new product codes, update packaging or finish, same optical design. So this is essential the same lens, just updated in the system. There are no major changes in image quality. Still you get sharp result, f2 aperture, compact metal build. So if you are buying this today, you're getting the same performance.
I know that you ignore me even when your cell phone's on. You know that you still have my heart even though you're gone. And we know how long it'll last when you try to make it on your own. Make it on your own.
Yes, this lens is still worth buying in 2026, especially if you find it at a good price, because discontinued listing often means discounts, not a bad product.
If you change your heart, perhaps I'll change my mind. But until then, I'd like to thank you for your time.
So, let's summarize clearly. The Sigma 20mm f2 is not discontinued as product. Only some store listings are discontinued or replaced. The lens itself is still active and still performs the same.
In my room, just so I can think of dreaming you. I know you like the way I look at you. I just wanna say I'm staying cool, but I need you hang with me tonight.
So, don't get confused when you see discontinued. Sometimes it just means updated, not removed.
Let's get it out the way. I know you saw my letter, so tell me what you think, okay? You can steal all of my sweaters, just promise not to turn away. You look the perfect weather, can you come and celebrate?
Again, if you are into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week.